What's going on, guys? It's Hector over here at Wood Cycle Country, and hunting season is here, and we're going to take some time to show you some of the accessories we can put on your machine and get you ready to go. One of the most important accessories you can put on your rig is going to be a gun rack, and this one is a pretty great one. It's a Texas Hold'em gun rack by High Stakes Outdoors, and you can see that thing isn't going anywhere. We also have a few others to choose from that you can put in different spots in your machine. And we also have light bars in multiple sizes, not just multiple sizes, but we also have dual color lights, red and white, green and white, so you can get hogs or yotes out there wherever you're at. And then once you get that big kill and you're ready to load it up and get it on back, we have different OEM and aftermarket headache rack options with a winch, so you can get that sucker loaded up back to camp and start dressing it out. We also have a variety of options for metal roofs, which are great for stacking corn for your feeder. And also 10-ply tires filled with tire sealant for all those rough conditions of the ranch or lease. So come to Wood Cycle Country and ask for me, Hector, and I'll help you get your rig loaded out for hunting season. A couple other things we got going on here. Metal roof, you can stack, I can't talk.